Hello guys, welcome back to the ECC IELTS. Today we are going to solve fill in the blanks type of questions, and we will see that how to deal with this kind of questions. Okay, let's get started. So these kind of questions are very simple. First of all, we will read the question carefully. Okay, no more than 3 words. Okay, and or a number. Okay, let's begin with the first question. In order to find out the first questions, then we will read the statement. Okay, so here is the paragraph. Okay, so soon Polagran Abdul achieved trumped pumped developed by 1970 engineer. Okay, operated by a person working in a place on pair of treadles. Okay, handle of pumps material okay, have a question. And two handle are made of bamboo. So here is our first answer. Okay, so actually it is asking about that in which material pumps handle is made. So here is our answer in this line. Yeah, and two handle arms made of bamboo. So our first question is the answer of first question is BAMBW. Make sure you write correct spelling. Okay, so our next question is two dash are made of plastic. Okay, so we will continue from here. Properly adjustment the material, it can be operated several hours a day without tiring the users. Okay, each treated pump has two cylinders which are made of engineering plastic. Yeah, that is the answer. Two dash are made of plastic. So each treadle pump has two cylinders. So here are two cylinders. So we will not write here two cylinder, we will write here only cylinder, because two is already given in our question. Here we will write two cylinders. Okay, so our next question is foot valves and dash which connects pump mechanism can generate water pulse. Okay, foot valves and dash. So we will read from here. This diameter cylindrical. Okay, height the pump capable of working up to maximum depth of 7 meter. Operate beyond sand meter is not recommended to preserve integrity of the rubber component. Okay, the pump mechanism has piston and foot valve assembly. Foot valve and dash. What foot valve and the pump mechanism has piston. Yeah, this is our answer. And foot valves assemblies, treadle acting. Okay, so here is our answer. So we will write here foot valves and dash which connect pump mechanism. So we will write here pistons. Pistons because assemblies their treadle actions created elder strokes in two pistons. Okay, here are two pistons, so we will write over there in the plural pistons. If we will write here piston only, then it will be a wrong answer. Okay, it will consider as a wrong answer. So here are only simple question and answer. So in order to solve these kind of questions, we need to read our question carefully. Okay, and first of all, I think we should translate in our own native language, so that we can easily understand what is asking about question. Okay, after that we can easily find out the answer. How large area can a treadle pump? Okay, how large area? He is asking about area. Pump irrigated the field at low level of expenses. Okay, so we will start from here. So what is our question? How large area can cradle pump integrate the field low level of expenses? Okay, so we'll read here. The human powered pump can irrigate half an acre, okay, of vegetable crop at and cost only $25, including the expense of drilling tube well done tube groundwater. Okay, so this is the answer of that question number 12. Okay, so what was that? Half an acre, HALFNACR. Okay, and our next question is, what is Abdul's new roof made of? Okay, Abdul's new roof made of. Abdul heard about the, yeah, here is Abdul heard about the treadle pump cousins. Okay, first farmer Bangladesh, he borrowed easily rapid loan during the 5 months during session, typically from very little Abdul used to trim. Okay. Plots irrigation his family ate. Okay, some of vegetables and sold rest at the village market, earning profit 100 profit his with his new income. Okay, Abdul was able to buy rice for his family to eat, keep his two sons in school until they were 16, and set aside a little money for his daughter dowry. Okay, when Pollock visited him again in 1984, he had doubled the size of vegetable plot. Wow, and placed the thatched roof on his house. Yeah, placed means, what was the synonym of plate? Roof made of. Okay, so what is the synonym of placed? It means changed. That the attached roof on his house with corrugated tin. So here is our answer. Our answer is corrugated tin. Make sure you write the correct spelling. Okay, so next question is, how much did Bangladesh farmer invest from by IDE stimulation? So we can easily find out by IDE in our paragraph, in our text. Okay, so here is the IDE. Here is IDE. Okay, IDE inventory campaign, pump courage 75. Okay, investing. Where is invest? Well drills to sell, install them over the next 12 one. Okay, and 500,000 of the family purchased, increase income totally. Okay, within the cost IDE market curtain activities was, okay, leveraged by investment. Yeah, what was our question? How much did Bangladesh farmer invest by IDE stimulation? So invest of 37.5 million. So our answer is 37.5 million. So these are very simple kind of questions, but we need to focus on our keywords and our understanding. Okay, these questions are very easy actually, and are in sequence. If you like this video, if you like my teaching style, so please subscribe this channel, and also like this channel, and share it with your friends and family, so that they can easily prepare for IELTS at home in this pandemic period.